Alright, we've made some good progress. So we have still to be mounted a 230 volt power inverter, so I can power my laptop, tablet and that side of things inside the car. We've got quite a few boxes all set up, so most things are labelled: nuts, wood screws, fuses, cleaning consumables, toolbox, a case. And if you look inside the case, you'll find we've done everything's all in nice little boxes. We've got sheets showing you what the O-rings, a few of the manuals, doctor's console parts, syringe parts, like 10-piece tubings, my larger spanners, sealants, glue and all that sort of stuff. Come around to the back of the car, we made some good progress. So power drills, angle grinders, dust buster, then we've got my electrical box, soldering iron connectors, the magic Durfit kinetic fittings. Let's have a peek in there. These things here are absolute gold to a dental service technician. Laminated sheet showing all the different fittings. Got to buy a few more, but there's a good selection there for push fit fittings. Good selection of push fit fittings, pipe fittings, trolleys in, no rattle there. These two boxes I've got to populate. But we've got label maker, light, networking gear, electrical wiring, more screws, bit of pneumatic hose, autoclave trays, drain hoses, my safety box, cleaning supplies, rags, spray and wipe, measuring tools, so we've got verniers, levels, Katani filters. This is my encouragement and persuasion box. So we've got pin punches, hammer, mallet, chisel, hacksaw, bits and bobs. So here's a good start for the weekend's work, and the road test will be soon to see if it rattles.